Are you comfortable?
Yes, I comfortable.
Let me begin your test today.
Okay, sir.
Good afternoon. I'm your examiner today. My name is RP. Could you tell me your full name, please?
My name is Puneet Katyal and you call me Puneet.
Okay, Puneet. Can I see your ID, please?
Yes, it is my passport.
Okay. Let me see your ID. No. Let me check it. Thank you.
Okay. Sir.
All right. Tell me something about your educational qualification.
Well, last time I pass out my graduation and at now I improve my English skills at a present attend in IELTS Institute located in beautiful city Tohana.
Okay.
That's all.
Describe your family settings.
Well, family play a important role in every person's life. I have live in joint family. Me, my father, my mother, and sister and brother. That's all.
Okay, let's talk about your hometown. Where is your hometown?
No. Well, hometown play a very important role in every person's life. I live in a beautiful city named Tohana district, Fatehbad, and I love my hometown because most of the facility available in here. First of all, education facility is good, hospital and another transporting system are good. So I love my hometown.
What do you like about it?
Well, I like to most in my hometown education system because education is the most important thing in today in the world. At a time, most of the peoples and students prefer to study. So in my hometown, education system good like universities, college, institute, and another type of education department are available in my hometown.
Okay, what do you not like about your town?
Well, most of the things are available in my hometown, but some part of my hometown I do not like. First of all, in my hometown is a crowded area and polluted. Road facility are not good in my country, so it is one thing I do not like in my hometown.
How important is your hometown to you?
Well, according to me, in my hometown, important thing for me in today in the world, health is the big problem in every person's life. So in my country, in my hometown, health department is strong and good. Big hospitals available in my hometown. Most of the people cannot survive in another place to my hometown. So it is a big reason of I love in my hometown. That's all.
Do you think you will continue to live in your hometown?
Yeah, definitely. I say that I live continue in my hometown because it is my mother land. So I prefer to living in my hometown because I feel comfortable. Most of the people know that me and another people, so I live in my hometown.
Okay. This is your cue card time and your topic is describe your family. There are some questions. How many family members you have, what they do, what are they like, and tell me their personal characteristics. So this is your topic. You can use this one. You can take a pen.
Thank you, sir.
I'll give you 1 minute and your time starts now. Your time's up. Start, please.
Well, family play a important role in every person's life, and without family, people cannot survive. Here today, I would like to speak about my family. I lived in nuclear family. Me, my father, my mother and sister and brother. First of all, I talk about my father. My father is the honest person, and my father at a present work in district Fatehbad court. So my father is the lawyer, and most of the quality are available. Most of the quality available in my father. First of all, my father is the frankly for everyone person, and after my father at a work in court 20 years, near about 20 years, and most of the knowledge regarding to law, and my father frankly behave so for everyone person life and easily constitute to everyone talking, and my father like to watching every books for regarding to law. And another quality of my father is a honest person and helpful for another peoples, and my father easily conversation with clients, and my father.
You can talk about another people of your family as well.
And secondly, my mother is a housewife, and I love my mother because my mother help for me in every department, like education department, another facilities, and I most of the time stretch. So this time I prefer to talking my mother. So in this time my mother helpful for me and motivated to study and another work. And another hand to my brother. My brother is at a present in school, senior secondary classes. So I love my brother because most of the time my brother prefer to me for any kind of work and helped me. And my sister is good girl. Most of the time my sister prefer for to me to study tuition time and another activity, go for shopping and purchasing and another activity. So I love my family. Me, I last me, I love my family, and I prefer to go abroad for my further study and my career. That's all.
Okay, can I take that back, please?
That's all.
Let me ask you some more questions.
Okay, sir.
So, in what ways have families in your country changed in recent years?
Well, according to me, recent years family are totally changed comparing to past. At a present, in family members like to prefer jobs, work, and another activity. Comparing to past, in the past, prefer to work only men's. Do not like to work ladies. But at a now present, most of the people like to prefer husband and wife work and conversation good. So it is the big reason of changing generation at nowadays.
Should husband and wives have different roles within the family?
Well, according to me, definitely husband and wife play a different role in family. First of all, father is the backbone in family, and mother is the mother contributing with family. Father go for first of all father every day go for work and earn the money, and another hand to mother live in home and conversation with children and another activities and good knowledge, and another hand to requirement easily available, easily providing for children.
Okay, describe someone you like most in your family.
Well, I love my family, but I most of the like my mother because my mother frankly for me, and most of the time I feel comfortable talk with my mother, and my mother everything provide to me, like go for shopping with friends and another activities. So every activities help my mother. So I mostly prefer love my mother.
What kind of, let me change your topic. What kind of TV program do you like to watch?
Well, TV program are play important role. Most of the people like different type of TV programs, like sports event, cartoons, another programs, films and songs. But I like to prefer watching cartoons and news. A big benefit of watching news, people easily attached with the environment and another countries and easily conversation with topics.
What are the most popular TV show in your country?
Well, in my country, most of the TV program shows available, but I like most Kapil Sharma show. Kapil Sharma show is the famous national and international level, and most of the people like to watching this episode because most of the celebrities, sports player, and another famous person coming in this program and talk to another people and conversation. So most of the famous live programs in my country, Kapil Sharma show.
Okay, what was your favorite show when you were a child?
Well, child, my favorite comedian show, Chhota Bheem. Chhota Bheem is the most famous cartoon shows in my country, and most of the children like to prefer watching this program because this program easily motivate to children work and conversation and another activities. That's all.
Okay, last question for today, and that is, do you like watching TV show from other countries as well?
Well, sometime I like to prefer watching another countryside TV shows. For first of all, foreign culture regarding and world violence and another channel. So foreign country channel providing more and more knowledge regarding to another places, like study regarding sports and motivated to persons. That's all.
Okay, this is the end of your speaking test. Thank you very much.
Thank you.